Hi, let us start with Algebra exercise 3.4 and question number 5 today. Evaluate the following using identities. Identities means these are the identities for cubes. We have for square also. So we have to use this. We can't do any other methods. So first let us start our solution. The first question is 98 the whole cube. So 98, how can you write this 98? Let's start our solution. 98 is nothing but your 100 minus 2. So 98 whole cube can be written as 98 cube can be written as 100 minus 2 the whole cube. Okay. So now we are going to apply this formula. Which formula? The second one we are going to apply. So let us start our question. Here we know the formula a minus b the whole cube is equal to, write it carefully, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. Okay. So now here what we have got is here our a is equal to, what is your a? This is your a. So our a is equal to 100 and our b is equal to 2. So now let us start applying our formula. So what happens is 98 whole square we have already written, right? If you want, let me write it again. 98 whole cube is equal to 100 minus 2 the whole cube. So this can be written as a cube minus b cube. Let's start putting one by one. A cube. What is a cube? A is 100. So that will be a 100 cube. Okay. And then minus b cube. So put a minus. Your b is 2. So that will be a 2 cube. Then minus. Put this minus symbol first. And then 3. Put the 3. Open your bracket if you want. Then put the multiplication symbol a square. So a is 100, so that will be a 100 square. Okay, then into b is 2. So this is how we'll do it. And next will be your plus symbol. So put your plus symbol and then your 3. So put your 3 multiplied by, again a is 100 and then your b square. B square is nothing but 2. So that will be a 2 square. Okay. So do apply the formula carefully. Now let us start our simplification. Okay. So now this will be equal to 100 cube. So 100 means 2 zeros and another 2 zeros and another 2 zeros. So 6 zeros minus 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. And then minus, what we have to do is, this will be, you have to, no, yeah. So 3 twos are 6, right? Just write like this. 3 twos are 6 and this square. So that will be 6 and this is 100. Put 0 and then put 2 more zeros. So that will be 6 followed by 2 0 and the 2 0. Did you understand how we write this? 3 twos are 6 and this is 4 zeros. So 4 zeros and then this. And then put a plus here. Simplify this. What is this? 4. So 3 into 4 is a 12. And this 12 into 100 will be a 1200. So now you have to simplify this very carefully. For safer side, add all the positive signs together. So what are all the positive signs? This is your 2 and then so this is your so this is your So this is your 10 lakhs, right? So write your 10 lakhs plus 1200. So you can directly write it if you can, or 1200. So that will be your 10 lakhs and your 0 and your 1200. For safer side, if you want, you can put the commas and write it, or else you can leave it if you don't want the commas. So now next will be what I have did. I have added these two. And then these two are left. These two are of the same sign. So put the minus sign and add it. So that will be 600 and the 0 and the 8. So now what you have to do is you have to subtract these two. Let's write it down and subtract 100 and 1200 minus 800, 3 zeros and a 6. Now let's subtract this. So what happens here is this will be a 10 and this will be a 9. So you can 10 minus 8 is 2 and this will be a 9. Then this will become also 1 because you are borrowing from here. So this is a 1, 1 and this will be again a 10 and this will be a 9 and this will be a 0. So this will be a 4 and 9. So now your answer will be 94192. So this is your answer. Please be careful with your subtractions and additions. So we have arrived at the conclusion here. So 98 whole cube, how we can write is 100 minus 2 the whole cube. 100 cube is, we have to put 6 zeros and then 2 cube is 8 and multiply this 3 2s are 6. It is a 60,000 and 1,200. This is 3 4s are 12. So 1,200 and do the calculation. So the main thing you have to understand here is you have to know this formula. And you have to know which identity you have to apply. So a minus b whole cube you have to apply. So now with this you have arrived at your conclusion, which is our answer is 98 whole cube is equal to 94192. So this is your answer. Hope you understood this. Let's move to the next question. So the next question is 1001 the whole cube. So here also we can write this 1001 as 1000 plus 1 the whole cube. Now if you identify this is of the form a plus b the whole cube. So we know the formula. If you see a plus b the whole cube formula is here. Anyways, we can write it again. A plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. Here everything is plus. So put it plus and write it 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now we have to apply this formula. Before that we have to identify what is your a here. So here our a is equal to what? This is our a. So a is equal to 1000 and comma our b is equal to 1. So put b is equal to 1. Now let us start applying our formula. So that will be 1001 the whole cube is equal to 1000 plus 1 the whole cube. So let us start applying our formula. That will be, first what you have to write, a cube. A cube is here 1000 cube. So that will be 1000 cube plus b cube. That will be your, you have to put your b is your 1. So 1 cube plus, the next thing is you have to write 3ab. So what is 3ab? 3 times a square b. So you have to write it as 3 times into, what is your a? A is 1000. 1000 into your b. Okay, so a square. So 1000 square to b plus 3 times your next step will be a b square, right? So that will be 3 times into a is 1000 and your b square. So do apply this formula carefully. 1000 cube a cube plus 1 cube plus 3 a square b and 3 ab square. Now let us start writing. 1000 cube is 1000. Do carefully 3 zeros and then the 3 0 and then the 3 0. So it is millions. And then put your 1 cube. 1 cube is nothing but 1. So then you have to find the value for this. Here you have got 3 thousands and the 3. So this will be nothing but you can write 1 into 3 is a 3 and then put your zeros. So 1, 2, 3 and again 1, 2, 3. Because we have got a square here. So this answer will be, you have to write 1000 once and one more 1000. Okay. Plus you have to write 3 into 1 is 3 and this will be a 3000. So now we have got so many zeros. So be careful with your zeros. Now let us start writing our answer. So if you could see, the last three digits are reverse. We'll write our. So now we are going to add this. So I have written for easier purpose 303030. So I have put a simple line, and here also three zeros and here also three zeros. So if I add this 10030030001. So for easier purpose I have written it, and our answer is 100030031. So do write it like this easily and then do it. Okay. So we have arrived at the answer. So our answer is 101, the whole cube is equal to this. So do apply the formula carefully and find the answers and write it down. Do remember this formula and study it carefully and apply it. Hope you understood this question, and refer to the next slide for the clear explanation. Thank you for watching.